Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. Welcome from a very rainy Seoul. हर वीकेंड पे यहाँ पे बारिश होती है but after a lot of weekends I am out and today we are going to explore a neighborhood called Mangwon which is filled with cute little quaint cafes. And yeah, तो अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई कि I saw the bus route on Naver map and I thought it's a metro subway route. लेकिन when I boarded the metro, I was like, what is wrong with the stations? Why is Naver showing me all different kind of stations? And then I realized, oh my god, the color was so similar. It was all like light green and dark green that I did not realize कि ये बस का रूट दिखा रहे हैं. But मैं सबवे में बैठ गई थी. So not a good start, but तो मैं अब सबवे से बाहर आ गई हूँ. I have planned to walk for 20 minutes and I'm hungry. Deliberately I did not eat anything in the morning so that I could enjoy the heavy meal in the cafe where I'm heading to. So yeah, not a good start, but I'll make sure it's a good tour. So stay with me. Let's go.
Where I want to be, pick me up and turn me around. I feel numb, born with a weak heart. I guess I must be having fun. The less we say about it, the better. We'll make it up as we go along. Feet on the ground, head in the sky. That's okay, I know nothing's wrong, nothing's high, oh, I got plenty of time. High, oh, you got light in your eyes, and you're standing here beside me. I love the passing of time.
Struggling for 1 hour, I found this market. पता नहीं आज नेवर मैप क्यों नहीं चल रहा है. So this place apparently is on TV. Let me just show you.
Never for money, always for love. Cover up and say goodnight. Say goodnight.
I have taken a gimbap and now we are heading to a cafe or a restaurant to eat something. I'm so hungry. It's a nice market, but I've been to a similar traditional market in Jeju. You should watch my Jeju vlog if you haven't already. And yeah, it's a good experience. Even though there is a meat market within here, there's a fish market. It smells good and there are Itaewon class songs being played, so the music is good and there's no traffic and there's no rain inside because it's covered, so it's really good.
Home is where I want to be, but I guess I'm already there. I come home, she lifted up her wings. I guess that this must be the place. And I can't tell one from another. Did I find you or you find me? There was a time before we were born. If someone asks, this is where I'll be. Where I'll be. High, oh, we drift in and out.
सारे लोग बैठे हैं, so I'm feeling shy to talk. Also not being able to look in the camera. So this is a place called Bento Box. It's a Japanese place because Bento Box apparently is a Japanese concept. इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी सो आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी आई वाज एबल टू फाइंड बेसिकली जो कैफे मुझे रेस्टोरेंट सबसे पहले दिखा, मैं उसमें घुस गई. बेंटो बॉक्स इज अपेरेंटली द टिफिन बॉक्स जो हम स्कूल लेके जाते हैं. दिस लुक्स लाइक अ टिफिन बॉक्स, The initial plan was to go to a nice restaurant. I mean, this is also nice, but जहाँ पे there was a potato soup with bread. तो बहुत खाने का मन था. And I deliberately did not eat anything in the morning कि कैफे जाके ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. But now I was so grumpy and so hungry. I don't even know if this is getting recorded properly. And the service here is really good. English menu नहीं था, but they were kind enough मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा translate करना. Japanese culture में I think like they're more into wooden stuff, and they definitely have the miso soup, and they also gave me some pudding as complimentary dessert. So do check out this place when you come here. There are 2-3 things जहाँ मुझे भी जाना है और let's see if the weather allows. And hi again. So far so good. We have covered 3 places of our list of 8. एक मिली नहीं, तो 4 बची है. So we've covered the bento box thing, the very nice stationery shop of which you saw some clips till now, and Mangwon Market. Yeah, that's it. And one restaurant we didn't find. So now we have to visit couple more vintage shops. I wanted to visit a cafe for coffee, but I'm not hungry. That bento box was rather filling. So yeah, let's just explore.
Feet on the ground.
Let's check that out.
That's okay. I know nothing's wrong. Nothing's higher. I got plenty of time. Higher. You got light in your eyes. And you're standing here beside me. I love the passing of time. Never for money, always for love. Cover up and say goodnight. Say goodnight.
Hi again. So I bought this from Object Recycle, which is like a wall hanging, a wall painting, but on a cloth, and it has the painter's name. The family name is Kim, so it is signed Kim. So this will always, and it's a woman. I'll show you when I get home. It'll always remind me of the freedom women have here in Korea. Just the sort of safety they have here. Alright, the last spot I want to visit is an ice cream parlor. I'm not a fan of ice cream, but that ice cream itself is so cute. It's shaped like a bunny, and they give 4 flavors in one ice cream, and I'm very sure it's going to be crowded. But before we head to home, let's just visit that cafe. And it's raining again. As you can see, the weather has not been friendly at all, but let's try to go to that ice cream parlor as well. So come along. Hi guys, I came back home. I was too tired of the humidity, so I just ditched the ice cream parlor which I told you about, or any any cafe for that matter. Rather, I made coffee for myself, which is good. So I just wanted to show you that what all I bought. So starting with kimbap, which I bought from the Mangwon traditional market. Let me just show you. Yeah, so let me try. You can never go wrong with kimbap. If you are a vegetarian, then kimbap is your friend. Just learn a little bit of Korean, and just tell the kimbap lady to avoid the meat or egg, whatever you don't eat. So it was good. The second thing I bought from this stationery shop, which is called Malang Stationery. This is definitely Malang. I don't know what is this. So these are stickers. Let me just show you. फट गया. The gimbap, by the way, was for $2. These stickers are quite expensive, but this is teal color and this is brownish. Both are very pretty colors. And have you seen people who journal? They use like such fancy stickers, like things which say ticket, like this says single ticket and so on. And I always wondered where they buy these stuff from. So apparently not traditional, but vintage stationery shops. And I just found out that they gave me their logo sticker for free, which is nice because I always like free stuff. And then which I also mentioned, and I'll be putting clips of the things or the stores from which I bought. The wall hanging thing from Object Recycle. Like, let me just show you. This is like a big one, a painting on cloth. Can you see it? Like, let me just show you. This is like a woman. In fact, when you I'll put a clip, but when you entered the shop, there was this wall hanging behind the wall where the cashier, very attractive, and it just caught my eye. And I don't know if I will keep it or not, but this was really nice. And the thing which really attracted me more than the painting was, let me just show you, just give me a second. Yeah, so this signature of Kim, abhi ulta dikh raha hai, but the signature of Kim, which is so Korea, right? So yeah, so this was also quite expensive. And they also gave me their free sticker of Object, which is cool. So overall it was nice. When I was researching about Mangwon, I read that ki traditional market hai, so I thought there'll be like some elements of traditional, like in Insadong, some elements of traditional, like how ghar ki chhat ekdam traditional hogi, ya some so on and so forth, to make it touristy. But it was actually very traditional. Choti galiyan thi. I was struggling through Naver, like 1 hour. I tried to search for the restaurant where I wanted to go initially, but it didn't happen. But nevertheless, I ticked 5 things out of the list of 8 which I had to visit. Let me know if you want to know how do I use Naver Map, how do I save cafes or save important locations or touristy places where I want to visit. I'll just let you know, because Google Map does not work here at all, and Naver is pretty much in Korean. So there is a way how you can use Naver Map smartly, which I learned very recently. ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो रही है. So I just wanted to say that thank you for coming along, and I hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe, like, and see you in another video. Bye.